Many of you have been asking me to do a video about how to use TradingView when you are trading crypto. So basically, before you can trade any pair, there are just three apps that you need: the exchange, your fundamental analysis, and also your technical analysis. So for the exchange, I use Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and BitGet. So if you have any of these apps, you can start trading. Then also the technical analysis, you can use TradingView. That's the only one that I think you can use to do technical analysis. That's the charting. You can use TradingView for the crypto. Then we have the fundamentals. So the fundamentals are external events, let's say news, car accidents, and other stuff. So usually when you are going to start trading, you need to make sure that you have any of these apps. So I was telling you the first one is TradingView, second one is Binance, or you can use KuCoin, BitGet, or you can even use OKX. For me, I've used Binance. That's what I'm currently using. Then we also have the next one that I talk about. That's the investing.com that you can use to do the fundamental analysis. For the pair selection, you can use CoinMarketCap. So every day when I wake up, I have the investing.com where I used to get the latest news. You can also use Bloomberg, or you can even use our daily times to even analyze the market based on fundamental analysis. So for now, what we want to do is we want to use TradingView. Some people are having problems with the charting, the technical analysis, so I want to just explain everything to you guys. So this is the CoinMarketCap where I used to select my daily coins for the day trading and swing trading. Then we have the Binance, which I use for trading all my pairs. You can even use Bybit. So the next thing that we want to do is when we search for tradingview.com, you go to a website like this. It's called TradingView. Then you just click on product. When you click on product, you click on super chat. So this is what we are going to be using mostly. For me, I think that the free version, you can still use it to do more, but if you want to go in, you can even go for the pro version. That is $12 for every single month. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I connected. So you can see my Binance account is even connected to my TradingView. How simple is that? So if I want to trade, I don't even need to open my Binance account. All I need to do is just click on confirm here. So for now, I'm not going to connect my Binance app because I'm going to be doing the video. So let's say we are on our TradingView, we have clicked on super chat, and we have reached here. So people have been asking me, how do you get these symbols, and also how to draw your trend line, how to select all these stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how to do them. Okay, so just follow my instructions. And at the end of this video, if you still have any confusions or doubts or problems, you can comment down below so that I can create a new video for you guys. Or you click the first link, join the Telegram group, and text me on WhatsApp. So I want to make sure that you guys understand TradingView and how to use it to do technical analysis. So basically what we want to do is, once we are on our TradingView website, trying to see whether the network is working. Okay, so let's select the pair that we want to trade. So let's say we want to trade ETH USDT or 1000 pp. So last week we took about 16 trades and about 13 were winners. So this week too, we are trying to take about, let's say, 10 trades. Because we are trading cryptocurrencies, they are very volatile and the risk to reward ratio is usually high. So we go with 1:4 and 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So what we want to do is, once we are on our CoinMarketCap website, then we'll click on the logo here to just select a pair. When you are going to select a pair, make sure you click on the trending section. What this implies is that if you click on the trending section of CoinMarketCap and you select a pair, within 1 to 4 days of selecting that pair, it's either going to pump or dump. You guys get me? So this is the only way like you can select day trading pairs on CoinMarketCap before you can even start the trading. So what you want to do is, when you click on CoinMarketCap, then you can get the current trending pairs around here so that you just select them. So right now, let's say we want to analyze BTC USDT, or let's go for another pair. We can go for a simpler pair like Solana. So I gave a trade for Sol USDT perpetual. That was on Friday. Currently we are around our third take profit, and we are using 1:5 ratio. Let's say we call these lines the horizontal lines. Some people have been asking me, how do I get these horizontal lines? Basically, I draw them to demarcate the support and resistance zone. So we have the support level at 0.88, then the resistance zones at this thing 0.188. That's where our resistance is. Usually when price reaches these zones, it tends to misbehave, either going to the opposite direction. So right now what we want to do is, I'm just going to show you how to use the tools. So starting from the trend line tools, where we have this bar here. So when you select a tool and you click the star section, you can have it on the menu bar here. So let me just use this to show you guys. So if I click on this tool here, that means I'm marking it here. So the tool will appear at this particular place. The shortcut, we call it the trend line tool. So the trend line tool is used to demarcate what is currently happening on a pair. So let's say I want to draw the, let's say if I've seen a falling wedge and I want to add it, I'll just click here, then I'll drag it to the downside just by selecting this particular button here. So we are drawing the trend line tool. Then when I drag it here, I click on it again. Okay, then I can click here to add another trend line just by clicking on it, then dragging it down. Okay, so you click on it, then you click on it again, then you drag it to this side. We have just seen a falling wedge. So we could have entered a long position around here, put our stop loss around here. That's the nearest support level. Then we'll enter, let's say 1:4 or 1:5 ratio. Then we will have reached it. So we have this particular place called the Fibonacci retracement tools. I don't usually use it. Those that I use are the price prediction tools, and also the trend line tools, and the text bar. So these are the things that I currently use on TradingView. We have the long position, the short position. Long position is used to measure the entry, the lot size, and how much you are using to enter a trade. Then we have the short position used to measure the entry when you are selling a pair. Then we also have the Fibonacci retracement and the horizontal line that I told you guys. With the horizontal line, if you have read the PDF that I give to you when you join the private mentorship group, anytime that you select a pair and you are going to trade it, we have a place we call support and resistance. The support is where price reaches and bounces to the top side. Then also the top side is called the support, the resistance zone, which is at this place. We can see this is the resistance zones. Each time price proceed to this plate, it will turn to the downside, and this place is now the support level. So if I click on it again, then I click here, you can see like price touches here, came down to the top, come and touches here again, then it's going back. You can see each time the price reaches this support level, it will reverse to the upside, which is telling you the current price of WU is around 0.1594. So each time the price reaches this place, it will shoot up. So you just have to wait for the price to reach here, then you enter a long position. So currently this is how you use the pairs. If you want to use the horizontal line to also the rectangular line to do your support and resistance, you can also use it. But let me just use this particular pair to show you something. Okay, so let's say we want to use the horizontal line here. Like we have just selected the pair. So with the pair that we are trading, we always trade USDT perpetual futures, contract futures. If you are using Bybit, make sure that you add P to it. So if I say we are trading Solana and you type in Sol USDT, then you add .p. You add .p. This is the right ones that you are supposed to select. Okay, so if you are doing your analysis and maybe the bar is not going well, just double click it here, then you click on reset chart. So when you click on reset chart, it will arrange it well for you. If you want to add the text, just click here to, then you click on the bar, add the text that you want. So if I say TP, then I click on OK section here, you can see the TP has already been written here. Now let's say you have added the entry, you know your entry, you know where you want to exit, and you know where your stop loss is. You can double click on this to calculate the quantity. So right now, if let's say my account balance, I have about $13,000 in my Binance Futures wallet, then I want to use the cost. I can select the percentage that I want to risk on each trade. For me, I usually risk 2% of my account. So to risk 2%, you can just click here to select the 2% that you want to risk on your account. So if I click 2%, now we know our entry to be 0.16694. Then I'll click on OK. So when I click on OK, this is the quantity of wood that I'm supposed to enter in the cost or the margin. The lot size, this is the amount that I'm supposed to enter here. Then our first take profit can be the nearest resistance zone, 0.17748. Then our next take profit will be around 0.18. Usually I go with trades with 1:5 or 1:4, minimum 1:3 raised to 1 ratio. Because when you are taking trade this way, you are able to make profit in the long run. So this is how you use the TradingView app. I just did a simple analysis on it. If you have any questions, comment down below, or you can click the first link and join the Telegram group. Text me on WhatsApp. Okay, take care and see you in the next video.